had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back?
Hello my beautiful friends, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today we're gonna create four super quick and easy updos for those days when our hair don't want to cooperate with us. Please let me know in comments down below which one is your favorite and which one you use the most. And without talking too much, let's get started right into our hair tutorial.
So for the first hairstyle, we'll divide our top section like I'm showing, smoothing it out using a brush. You want to tie it using a clear elastic. Make sure on last time to pull your hair halfway through, leaving the ends out like I'm showing. Then you want to pull your loop forward, this way creating a voluminous bun on the top, but don't forget to leave the ends out like I said before. Now you want to grab our lower section, leaving the ends out of the first section like I said before. We want to grab our lower section, smoothing it out using a brush again. If needed, you want to tie it using a clear elastic again. You want to pull a little bit your ponytail, creating this loosened look of the bun. Then you want to grab your ponytail, divide it into two and twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So basically we'll create a texturized roll braid. But guys, if you find this hard, you can just twist these two sections and then pull it to make it voluminous looking. But for more texturized effect, you want to make a roll braid. Now you want to secure your braid and then loosen it. Then spreading the ends of the first bun, you want to spread it over our elastic and then grabbing your braid, you want to wrap it around created bun, hiding the elastic like I'm showing. You want to pull it as much as you want it to create more volume. Then you want to pin in place the sides of our voluminous bun. And if you want only, you can grab the ends of your first ponytail and hide the elastic underneath, but you can leave it as it is as well, and you're done. For the next hairstyle, this will be a smoother bun, so we'll tie a very high ponytail, making sure of course everything is nice and smooth. Now we want to twist a little bit like I'm showing, and then you want to tuck it into the elastic in the back, creating half of our bun. Loosen just a bit your half bun, and then you want to tuck it into created bun, our ends. And then you want to spread our bun all around the elastic like I'm showing and pin it in place using how many bobby pins or grips you need, and some hairspray if you do need to. And your second bun is ready. For our third hairstyle, we will make again a very high ponytail, but this time instead of a clear elastic, I'll use a regular elastic. Then you want to divide your ponytail into two equal sections, tie a knot in the front, and with the rest you want to tie again a knot. Then you want to wrap the ends around the elastic, and grabbing a clear elastic you want to secure the ends like I'm showing. Now you want to grab some bobby pins and pin in place your knots and pull it to make it voluminous and texturized. Use some hairspray if needed, and yes, you're done. For our last hairstyle, we want to tie again a very high ponytail. I'll suggest you to use a clear elastic for this, and then you want to make an opening through your ponytail and bring the ponytail through the opening but backwards like I'm showing. Now you want to grab your ponytail and tease a little bit like I'm showing, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to bring it back and you want to tuck it into the elastic like I'm showing. Now you want to fan it out, pin it from the sides, use some hairspray if needed, and yes guys, you're done!
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please guys, don't forget to like it and tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyles is your favorite. And if you're new, of course, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. And see you soon. Mwah! Bye!
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all